Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef stock in your Instant Pot. First, you'll want to brown about 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones in your pot or oven to develop a deep, rich flavor. Then, add in your aromatic vegetables, such as carrots and onions, which will contribute to the stock's complexity. This initial browning step is crucial for a truly flavorful result. Next, place your brown bones and vegetables into the Instant Pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring you don't exceed the maximum fill line. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract more nutrients from the bones. Seal the lid, set the valve to sealing, and pressure cook on high for 90 to 120 minutes for optimal flavor extraction. Once the cooking cycle is complete, allow the Instant Pot to naturally release pressure for 20 to 30 minutes. This is important for safety and flavor. After the pressure has fully released, carefully open the lid. Then, strain the rich liquid through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the cooked bones and vegetables. You'll be left with a clear, flavorful beef stock. Finally, let your homemade beef stock cool completely to room temperature. Once cooled, you can easily skim off any solidified fat from the surface for a clearer stock. Transfer the stock into airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.